Welcome to GitHub trending repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, open-seo, 939 new stars today. open-seo solves the problem of overpaying for enterprise SEO suites by letting you bring your own data for SEO API key and pay only for the data you consume, instead of locking into a fixed monthly subscription. It's built from the ground up to be agent first, exposing an MCP server so AI coding tools like Claude Code can run keyword research, backlink analysis, and site audits directly within your development workflow. The combination of pay-as-you-go pricing, a modern unbundled UI, and native AI agent integration makes it worth exploring even if you already tolerate the bloat of traditional SEO platforms. Number 4, Cognee, 234 new stars today. AI agents that reset after every session can't handle ongoing conversations or build up knowledge over time. Cognee gives them persistent long-term memory by ingesting your data and automatically constructing a self-hosted knowledge graph that links concepts and updates as new information arrives. It combines vector embeddings, graph reasoning, and cognitive science-inspired ontology generation into a single engine you control, so you avoid vendor lock-in and per-token costs of managed memory services. Number 3, agency agents, 862 new stars today. Stop wrestling with generic AI responses. This repo gives you a library of specialized, personality-driven agent definitions that turn Claude Code, Cursor, and other tools into a full-stack team of experts. Instead of spending hours crafting prompts for a front-end wizard or a Reddit community, Ninja you drop in pre-built markdown files that encode battle-tested workflows, deliverables, and communication styles. The modular design, cross-tool install scripts, and companion desktop app make it a package manager for AI agent personalities. Browse the roster to see how a whimsy injector or reality checker can immediately level up your development sessions. Number 2, OmniRoute, on 1,007 new stars today. OmniRoute aggregates 268 plus AI providers behind a single endpoint, giving developers free access to models like Claude, GPT, and Gemini without managing multiple API keys or hitting rate limits. Its quota-aware auto fallback and RTK plus caveman compression reduce token usage by up to 95%, stretching free tiers to 1.4B tokens per month. The MIT License Gateway integrates directly with Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, and other tools, and includes a live dashboard to track your free token budget, built by 500 plus contributors. Number 1, jcode, 568 new stars today. Managing multi-session coding agent workflows is expensive and brittle because existing tools demand hundreds of megabytes of RAM per session and lock you into a single provider's model and interface. Jcode is a Rust-based harness that decouples the agent logic from the language model, letting you swap LLMs, define custom tools, and run concurrent sessions with as little as 27.8 megabytes of memory overhead. Its zero-copy event system and modular design make it the first harness that lets developers scale agentic coding without losing control, all while staying orders of magnitude lighter than alternatives like Claude Code or Cursor Agent.